Hugh Blyden en Dennis Hutchinson het self op topvlak onderskeidelik rugby en golf gespeel. Die twee ikone in die sportwêreld, nou beter bekend as gesoute uitsaai-stemme, is ook al in die Suid-Afrikaanse sportheldesaal vereer.
Without doubt, the highlight for my career was the 2007 World Cup. And one of the real highlights is that you get in the media center and there's this plethora of world stars who you know, you've watched and you might be a little bit older than them, but you've commentated on them.
1962, we're in Argentina, playing the World Cup of golf. Gary's my partner, Big Cheese, and we're playing against Roberto Di Vicenzo. Sadly passed away this year. And like Arnie Palmer and a couple of other great players like Simon Hobday.
Die twee legendes se gunsteling sportmanne van alle tye is Frick de Pre en Bobby Locke.
Frick de Pre was one of my great heroes, and I not only got to play against him, but I played in 2 Springbok trials with him as one of my lock forwards. I mean, I was so in awe of the guy that I think I made such a cock up, it was unreal.
He won by 16 shots. Closest is Tiger Woods, won by 14, but Bobby, and just to give you an idea, I mean, I could talk for an hour about Bobby and what he did and what he did for golf, and he played all those exhibitions. He used to, you know, play the exhibition, they played their tournaments. When you think he used to win 9 or 10 tournaments out of this 15 or 16.
Die aand is afgesluit met 'n stukkie kenmerkende Blyden kommentaar.
Smith with a throw out to Madfield, down to Dupree, out to James. James skipping, staying, and it's Fourie who has the ball. Montgomery up in the line, overlap for Habana here. A little chip ahead, it's all on the bounce of the ball. Habana scores! Unbelievable!
Gerard Pretorius, E-nuus Centurion.